how are you all? Welcome back. Today we will take up chapter number 6 from civics, that is understanding media. We will be able to complete this chapter in one video only, and in the Zoom class we are going to see the modules related to this topic. So let us move on to chapter number 6, understanding media. So you can see the images that media, different types, internet, radio, magazines, television and newspapers. These are all the different forms of media. So there are two forms of media. One is print media and another one is electronic media. So nowadays electronic medias are very popular than the you can say the print media, but still the role of print media is also very good. Let's see. First of all, the introduction. What is media? So media is the plural form of the word medium. So from that medium it has come out the word media. What is media? It describes various phases. Phase means different stage, you can say, through which we communicate in society. Different aspects which we communicate in society, that is reflected in media. TV, radio, newspapers called mass media. So here we have to underline the word mass media. Mass means as it reaches to millions of people at a time, it is called as mass media, as these reach millions across the world. That means the role of TV or the radio or the newspapers, or we can say whatever we are broadcasting, whether it is news, whether it is entertainment or related to any other issues, when it is circulated to a number of people, large number of people, maybe crores and millions like that, then only it is called as mass media. So let's move on to the next topic. Now media and technology. You can see here the different what is called logos, isn't it? You are very familiar with the social medias nowadays. So let's study about this. Mass media uses different technologies that keep on changing. So if we see around 10 to 15 years or 15 to 20 years back, these things were not visible only or not available only. So around 20 years back, hardly a few people or a very less number of people, they used to have that mobile phone or cell phone. Nowadays it is common, everybody is having. We have to now think about how many people are not having cell phone. I am not talking about any Android phones or smartphone. I am talking about simple cell phones. If you have a particular 10-digit number, then if you are owning, then it is called as your number. Everybody, each and every person, they are having their personal numbers. Recently, mass media uses different technologies that keep on changing. As I told you, 20 years back, we used to have only dabba phone. Now we have smartphones, isn't it? So we can see the images, we can learn, we can entertain, or we can do number of activities on that. Recently, cable TV and internet are a popular form of media. Why cable TV? Cable TV, they are broadcasting many things. It may be the local news, it may be the international news, it may be the India's news or within country or entertainment. So that's why. And internet, I can say now very recently internet plays a very important role. Slowly the role of TV is going to diminish. टीवी अभी जो डब्बा हमारे घर के सामने हमारे घर पे है, लिविंग रूम में रहता है, अभी एक स्लोली डिसअपीयर होने वाला है आफ्टर 10 इयर्स, क्योंकि सबके पास अपना ही फ़ोन होता है, स्मार्टफोन है, वेरिन यू कैन टेलीकास्ट एनीथिंग, यू कैन सी, यू कैन वॉच एनीथिंग ऑफ योर चॉइस. देन print media includes newspaper and magazine, as I told you earlier, and electronic media that includes TV and radio. But nowadays we can say that internet, it is also smartphone is a electronic media only. Then modern technologies. So what you can see in the image is that through satellite, or I can say satellite is there, it is receiving the signals and it is transforming the signals too. That image is incomplete actually. It helps media to reach more people. So that technology improves the quality of sound and picture. Yes, in our Zoom class also, if there is any problem, we are not able to visible. Sometimes there is a problem of audio, sometimes video. Then immediately you people point out that audio is not perfect, video is not visible, isn't it? So this is, it helps to, this due to the satellite, or we say that internet is weak. And it changes our thinking. What changes our thinking? Satellite changes our thinking? No, whatever is broadcasted through satellite to us, that changes our thinking. Through satellite and cables, we can see different channels on television. Of course, now in Sharjah, Dubai, isn't it? Abu Dhabi, IPL is going on. But we are enjoying at home through our cable TV, isn't it? Then television has brought the world closer to us, of course. The next concept we are going to study is media and money. So you can see social media, along with that some images of rupees and all, and in another downs you can see the Tata salt and one more salt. So these are, what are they? They are just advertisement. We know very well about Tata salt, isn't it? And the second image, I am not aware about it. Do you? Maybe some of you, but it's not as popular as that of Tata salt, because Tata salt is being advertised very regularly, or you can say very often, whereas the other one is hardly, maybe of 1 or 2 times, or don't know. That is why we are not familiar with the other one, whereas we are very much familiar with the Tata salt. So technology that mass media uses are expensive. Yes, of course they are very expensive, and advertisement is the only way the mass media uses to earn money. So that is why you may be worried, or I can say, about when something important news may be telecasting, or some entertainment movie is going on, serials, or in between when there is a crucial time, at that time they are taking the advertisement, or they are giving that advertisement. Why? In order to maintain the curiosity. अगर वो पहले चीज़ अगर बता देते हैं, पूरा कहानी पहले बता के फिर बाद में अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट रखते, तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट कौन देखेगा? तो दे आर टेकिंग हार्डली अप टू 2.5 और 3 मिनट्स का एडवर्टाइजमेंट देते हैं. तो 3 मिनट्स में आप भी सोचते होंगे कि कहाँ जाएंगे, लेट इट बी, और जो आता है वो हम देखते रहते हैं. नहीं भी देखते तो हमारे कानों में वो पड़ता रहता है, गिरता रहता है, isn't it? That is the advantage. They also want that only. They doesn't want कि everybody must see, must watch, और ऐसे नहीं. तो but we can say that children, they are mostly they are influenced by the advertisements. Advertisement में very popular I can say that वो वाला क्या kids ये आता है ना टॉफ़ी, आई फॉरगॉट, सो चुभी आ जाएगा बाद में. तो उसको देख के, उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट देख के, तो नया नया उसमें टॉयज़ निकलता है. तो टॉयज़ को देख के बच्चे इतना अपने पेरेंट्स को इंसिस्ट करते हैं कि हमें वो चाहिए टॉफ़ी, हमें वो चॉकलेट. क्या किड्स है? किड्सी नहीं है, मे बी कमेंट मी इफ़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू आंसर एट द एंड. ओके, फॉरगॉट, इनफैक्ट आई फॉरगॉट. ब्लू कलर वाला आता है, उसको ओपन करते हैं तो एक साइड आपको चॉकलेट मिलता है और दूसरे साइड आपको टॉयज़ मिलता है. सो ओके, advertisements are shown in between the program, as I told you, and also published in newspaper. Advertisement of car, chocolate and mobiles etc. So that play a very important role. So कार भी अगर हमको जब लेना है तो फिर जब तक हमको कार नहीं लेना है ना, तो हम उसके बारे में सोचते भी नहीं. But when we are planning to purchase a car, then we see the advertisement. क्या क्या देते हैं, what are all the offers they are giving, what are all the features they are giving. Everything we will be attracted, we will be, or I can say, watching them and attract होते हैं, and it forces us to purchase the same thing. Media and democracy. Media plays very important role in democracy. It provides news and discusses events that take place in country and across the world. Yes, what is happening in India, what is happening outside the world. In USA, in the month of November, they are going to face the election, isn't it? And that is very popular now. News channels they are also broadcasting such international happenings or the news. It forms the citizens about the work of the government. Yes, the working style of the government. If the government is moving in a right path, then it is appreciated. If it is deviating, then it is commented through discussion, through debate. एक भी गलत अगर स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल राहुल गांधी अगर कुछ बयान, अगर रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट देते हैं, कुछ भी स्टेटमेंट, इट इज़ अगर विवादात्मक और कुछ अगर ऐसा स्टेटमेंट देता है, तो इमीडिएटली दिस न्यूज़ पीपल, दिस चैनल्स, दे आर कॉलिंग, और जर्नलिस्ट दे आर कॉलिंग द कंसर्न पर्सन फ्रॉम देयर पार्टी और द स्पोक्स पर्सनस को बुलाते हैं, या किसी को भी उनका पार्टी को करते हैं, और पार्टी वाले से वो पूछताछ करते हैं क्यों इन्होंने ऐसा कमेंट किया, वो क्या सही था, कोई भी. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग राहुल गांधी थोड़ा पॉपुलर है, दैट्स वाई. It forms the citizens about the works of the government. People can take action on the basis of the news stories by writing letters to the ministers concerned and organizing the public protest, signature campaign, etc. Signature campaign मतलब just सबका signature लेके उसको campaign करना और protest करना, धरना करना. Nowadays इन सब की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. So Twitter, social media में Twitter के through या उसको वायरल करते हैं वीडियो जब वायरल होता है तो ultimately it reaches to the government. Nowadays it's very popular that no need to have that any this protest की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अन्ना हज़ारे उपवास सत्याग्रह किया, उपवास किया, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है आज के ज़माने में. तो इफ़ यू जस्ट अगर उपवास करते हुए उसको वायरल किया ना, वीडियो को वायरल किया, तो वो गवर्नमेंट तक पहुंचाता है. It is necessary that media should be balanced, reliable. What is the meaning of reliable? One should have trust on it. So, okay, भरोसा होना चाहिए. उनको पता चलता है कि पर्टिकुलर XYZ न्यूज़ चैनल बहुत ही फेक न्यूज़ देता है, तो कोई उसको देखेगा ही नहीं. इट शुड बी रिलायबल. सो थोड़ा बहुत उसमें मसाला कुछ भी हो, बट सच्चाई साथ में होना चाहिए. दैट इज द थिंग. एंड अनबायस्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन. बायस्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है किसी एक पार्टी को ही तारीफ करना, किसी को एक सपोर्ट करना है. हमारे बहुत सारे न्यूज़ चैनल्स हैं, आप फाइंड आउट करके आना कौन सा चैनल कौन सा पार्टी को फेवर करता है. सो ओके, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिवील दैट. You yourself, you should understand कि certain news channel they are favoring particular party only. Whatever the other party is doing, they are always criticizing, comment करते रहते हैं. Why? They are biased. Okay. Balanced report means that it discusses all points of view on particular issue. That is called, you have to see the plus point as well as the minus point, then only you can say it is a balanced report. Okay, रिपोर्ट का मेरिट्स एज वेल एज डीमेरिट्स को आप लोगों को एक साथ उसको क्या करना है, प्रेजेंट करना है. नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज मीडिया एंड डेमोक्रेसी. यू कैन सी दैट different newspapers, they are playing a very important role. Then media should be independent. Should be, that's underline. लेकिन होता नहीं. No one should control and influence its coverage of news. But what is happening? Important point जब होता है, अगर कुछ मैसेज होता है, टेलीकास्ट होता है, शूटिंग होती है, बट कट हो जाता है जो इम्पोर्टेंट, वो जो उनको दिखाना चाहिए, दैट इज़ ओनली रीचिंग, and most of the things they are deviating. Why? Because many business houses, big business houses, they are controlling, owning the medias. मीडिया को अपने कंट्रोल में है. Yes. Sometimes government prevents the media from publishing the stories. Yes, अगर भयंकर भयानक स्टोरी है, अर्थक्वेक होता है तो अर्थक्वेक होता है तो इतना जो भयंकर वो नहीं दिखाते हैं. ओके, फ्लड होता है, डिजास्टर, वॉट एवर, दे आर शोइंग ओनली अ पार्ट. वाई? people, they don't want that people should get panic and all. It is referred as censorship. You know that censorship. Media nowadays not considered as independent. As I told you, it should be independent, but it is not considered as independent. Business houses control the media. Say for example, Hindustan Times को एक बड़ा business house ने own किया है. What is that? It is none other than Birla House, Birla Group is managing the Hindustan Times. So they are only giving those news that is, they think that it should reach to the people. Okay, most of the things, important topics are deviated or it is not covered at all. Media links with advertising to earn money. Makes it difficult for it to report against the people who give them advertisement. Say for example, I'm having this, एक तो मेरे पास एक तो Times of India है, so you can see I'm not able to show all, but this is the front page of the paper. So front page, I think you will be able to see, this is the front page and it's nothing but entire advertisement. Not a single news is covered on the front page. So as the back page, half of the page is covered with the advertisement only and only a little part is only news. So why? Because through this they are giving the news. Through this they are getting the money. And media's links with advertisement to earn money. Okay, then setting agenda. You know that what is agenda? Agenda means schedule type. So if there is any program, then पूछते हैं कि आज का agenda क्या है, कि schedule क्या है, कि क्या है. So at that time, media focuses on those issues that are newsworthy. जो news देने के लिए लायक है, उसी को focus करते हैं. By focusing on issues, it raises public awareness and influences our thoughts, feelings and actions. Looking at one particular news, we develop our I can say mind setup, whether it is good or bad. क्योंकि अगर न्यूज़ अगर इतने अच्छे उसको खिलाफ उसको पोर्ट्रेट करते करेंगे तो हमारे माइंड में भी आ जाता है दिस इज़ अ वेरी बैड. And if it is focused such a thing कि बहुत अच्छा है, and we also need our mind in a positive way. So it influences our thoughts and feelings as well as actions. Therefore, it is commonly said that the media sets the agenda. For example, despite the government resistance, media boldly declared that cola drinks were unsafe due to high level of pesticide in it. बट न्यूज़ वाले मना करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि न्यूज़ के बीच बीच में किसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता है? कोला का ही एडवर्टाइजमेंट आता है. तो उसने कहा कि मत देना इसके, भाई मत करना, लेकिन न्यूज़ को देना है बिकॉज इट्स अनसेफ. ओके, बट मेनी टाइम्स मीडिया फेल्स टू फोकस ऑन इम्पॉर्टेंट और सिग्निफिकेंट इश्यूज़. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन न्यूज़ अबाउट फैशन वीक, क्या लेना देना फैशन, आम लोगों का कोई लेना देना है? इज देयर एनी रिलेवेंट or is there any relationship between that fashion week as well as the ordinary people? No, there is no link, there is no any relevance. And at that time also it is highlighted on the first page of the newspaper, whereas the issue of slum demolition नाश करना स्लम को, अब मुंबई वॉज नॉट इवन नोटिस्ड, उसको नोटिस तक नहीं करते हैं. whereas many people they are suffering, their existence is now demolished. उसको हाईलाइट करना चाहिए. where these people will go if the their or I can say area is being demolished? No, that thing is not highlighted. What is highlighted? About the fashion week. So इसमें आम लोगों को कोई लेना देना नहीं है. Nowadays, due to media's relationship with business, the news report is often incomplete or one-sided. Yes, because they are influenced by the other group. Therefore, we should analyze करने देखना, बारीक से देखना, नज़दीक से देखना the news properly before reaching to the conclusion. You can't accept anything by looking at one news channel or by reading one newspaper. You have to see the other angles also, isn't it? Then only we are able to come to a proper conclusion. So, this is all about the chapter Understanding the Media. So, we will be going to see the same thing in the Zoom class too. In the meantime, thank you, keep watching, and please give your feedback. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice time.